Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 16 by 20 inch canvas. It's reused canvas. I didn't like the result, so I painted it with some white paint, white acrylic paint, let it dry, and now I will paint again. I have some leftover paints. I have mostly blues, some Prussian blues, some metallic blues mixed from some scrape of paint, some aqua turquoise green. And I did some flip cups. I dirty poured some blues into the white. What I had in my head is that I will do a flip cups and then swipe it, but when I did the flip cups I kind of like them, so I still them out, but didn't like it at the end. That's why I I just go and swipe with my dumped paper towels all the way, and at the end I really like this kind of oceanscape looking abstract piece of art. So I will let you listen to some music, watch my process, and enjoy. So here is the dried result. I really like this painting, and I will continue to explore this flip cup swipe kind of thing, because I like this blending of colors. I really do. I don't mind a little bit of this gold or copper popping through here. Just didn't kind of feel like to be in the painting. I like it way more without. But I'm happy. I used some leftover paints that I have, and I created some nice looking painting. So it's a successful day for me today. Don't forget, for our hurricane relief collaboration going on Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, I think I will put the trailer after this dried result, so you can see, and hopefully we will raise some money for people in need. Thanks for being here, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.